With approximately 860,000 Filipinos calling the UAE their second home, it is undeniably one of the Philippines' most vital labor destinations for our overseas Filipino workers. We are part of the UAE economy, of UAE development, of UAE pride, and most of all, of Philippines-UAE cooperation and friendship. We are so proud of you here at the UAE. You are not just workers, you are ambassadors. You are our workforce's version of Olympic champions. We have nothing but overflowing gratitude to the United Arab Emirates for giving our people a home, a meaningful home, a place where they could walk the walk of friendship, of productivity, of harmony, where they can sing songs, not just of Filipino culture, but also of Philippines-UAE friendship, cooperation, and literally working hand to hand every day in 1,000 workplaces all over the Emirates.